case you are in the market for an excellent scratch pad, you are spoiled for decision nowadays. Long gone are the days when a MacBook Pro was your lone choice. Be that as it may, there are plenty of dazzling Windows Ultraportables, while Microsoft broadened and re-established the Surface lineup in 2017. What's more, now Google has discharged the touchscreen, convertible Pixelbook, which is a Chrome ebook that is essentially more costly than different adversaries. Google beforehand endeavored to make a top-notch Chrome OS PC recall the Google Pixel of 2013? Yet with restricted achievement. Chrome OS is considerably more able nowadays, particularly as far as disconnected utilize, another launcher and Android application bolster, while the Pixelbook additionally includes stylus bolster. However, you should pay £99 additional to purchase the Pixelbook pen, which few will do, a genuine disgrace. It's fantastically thin with a brushed aluminum outline and will blow some people's minds. However, the plan is marginally reminiscent of Acer's presently supplanted Aspire S7, it's intended to mirror the planned dialect of the Pixel telephone lineup and Google Home too. The bezel around the screen is somewhat wide for a PC of this cost, however, particularly when contrasted with an opponent, for example, the admired Dell XPS 13. To the extent the controls go, the console is beautiful to type upon, with a wonderful, as opposed to irritating, sound, while the glass trackpad is radiantly exact. There are shrewd outline subtle elements, for instance the rubber-treated portions of the edge make utilizing the Pixelbook in tablet mode significantly less demanding. For £999 you get 128GB of capacity, while you can move up to 256GB for an additional £200. Both have an Intel Core i5 processor and also 8GB of memory. A Superform with Core i7, 16GB of memory and a 512GB SSD is coming soon, however it will cost an incredible £1,700. The 256GB model is our pick of the three. All utilization Intel's low control, low warm Y arrangement chips, so the majority of the Pixelbook models are fanless. Incredible news! As an examination, the similarly convertible Asus Chrome eBook Flip is altogether less intense than the Pixelbook with a Core M3 processor, yet is somewhat less expensive at £600. As you'd expect at the cost and determination, the Pixelbook performs extremely well. Truly, we wouldn't acknowledge anything less from such a costly Chrome ebook, particularly considering how lightweight of a working framework Chrome is. In a full HD motion picture circle battery test we got about 8 hours out of the Pixelbook. Google guarantees 10 hours with blended utilize, and that is effortlessly achievable. In case you are simply doing essential stuff in Google Docs, well, you may even get more. The Pixelbook pen works phenomenally as a stylus, there's a secure to call the Google Assistant, and drawing on the show is a joy. There's no discernible postpone, which you can't state for the involvement with numerous tablets. You can utilize the pen to play out a Google Seek around pictures you feature. This works to a great degree well, notwithstanding for specialty seeks. Google is so great at this stuff.